How to add money to Cash App. So if you want to add money to your Cash App, follow these simple steps. Step number 1, open the Cash App. First, open the Cash App on your phone and make sure you are logged into your account. After that, go to your balance, look on the bottom of the screen and tap on bank icon or the balance button. This will show you how much money you have on your Cash App. After that, tap on add cash. You will see the add cash button. Tap on it to continue. After that, enter the amount. Now type on the amount of money that you want to add and make sure to check the amount before moving to the next step. Now, step number 5, choose your payment method. So Cash App needs to take money from somewhere, and you can link a debit card or bank account to add money. So if you haven't linked it on yet, the app will ask you to do it. After that, confirm and add money. So once you choose your payment method, tap add and enter your PIN or use Face ID to confirm. Step number 7 and the last step is wait for the money to appear on your account. So if you use a debit card, the money will show up instantly, and if you use the bank account, it may take 1 to 3 days. And that's it. You have successfully added money to your Cash App. So this is how to add money to Cash App. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.